My name is Marilyn and I live in Dana Point. And I've had other wigs before that I've bought on the internet or in another store, but this is different. Susie's is a real professional place. Jenny and her husband Kevin are a team that are wonderful. They know how to make the customer feel relaxed and comfortable and are so helpful in choosing a wig and styling it. So it isn't that you just walk out the door and you're left with it. You get a lot of service here included with the relationship you establish with them. And you know, before 2020 there was no wig shop here in Dana Point, and as soon as I saw it I was excited it opened, and then COVID came and it closed. And then I was really upset, and we just kept walking by and looking to see when they would open again, and finally they did, and here's the result. I have my new wig. I'm excited about it, and I suggest that for people that are worried about going to the hair salon, that this is a great solution during COVID and other times of your life, but I think particularly now, that's one of the reasons I'm getting the wig, so I don't have to be hostage to other salons that I can't go into, and I could just take my wig off the stand and pop it on my head and look beautiful.